Hey, quick question. You're running a service-based business, right? Maybe you're a hairstylist, a personal trainer, a massage therapist, or even a dog groomer. You're juggling appointments, payments, and trying to keep your sanity. Now, what if I told you there's a tool out there, a digital sidekick, that promises to streamline all of that? And what if I also told you it might be free? Is that even possible? Is that some kind of marketing magic trick? Today, we're diving deep into that very question. Is Square Appointments free? And if it is, what's the catch? Because, let's be real, nothing in life is truly free, is it? We've all been there, trying to manage appointments with a notebook, constantly playing phone tag with clients, and then scrambling to process payments when they finally show up. It's a chaotic dance, and it eats up precious time that could be spent actually doing what you love. Now, Square Appointments pops up, promising to be this all-in-one solution. It's got online booking, automated reminders, payment processing, client management. It sounds like a dream, right? But the question lingers, how much of this dream is actually free, and how much is going to cost you an arm and a leg? Let's break it down. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. The word free. In the context of Square Appointments, it's a bit nuanced. Square does offer a free plan, but as with most things, there are limitations. This free plan is designed for individual service providers, meaning it's perfect if you're a solopreneur. You get access to basic appointment scheduling, online booking, and the ability to accept payments. But here's the kicker, the free part is mostly about the scheduling and booking features. Square makes its money on the payment processing. So, while you're not paying a subscription fee for the basic appointment management, you will be paying a transaction fee every time you process a payment through Square. Now, let's talk about those transaction fees. This is where Square, like most payment processors, makes its cut. The standard fee for card transactions is typically around 2.6% plus 10 cents per tap, dip, or swipe. For online transactions, it's usually a bit higher. These fees are pretty standard in the industry, but they're something you need to factor into your overall costs. So, while the free plan might seem appealing, remember that you're essentially paying for the convenience of accepting card payments through Square. It's not a hidden fee, it's transparent, but it's crucial to understand. So, what do you actually get with the free plan? You get a basic online booking site, which is great for clients to book appointments directly. You get automated email reminders, which are a lifesaver for reducing no-shows. You get basic client management features, allowing you to keep track of client information. And, of course, you get the ability to accept payments. But remember, these features are limited. You won't get the advanced features of the paid plans, like text message reminders, multiple staff logins, or more in-depth reporting. Now, let's talk about the paid plans. Square Appointments offers several tiered plans, each with increasing features and capabilities. These plans are designed for businesses with multiple staff members, or those who need more advanced features. The Plus plan, for example, allows for multiple staff logins, which is essential for businesses with a team. It also includes text message reminders, which are often more effective than email reminders. The Premium plan offers even more advanced features, such as advanced reporting and analytics, which can be invaluable for growing your business. So, is it worth upgrading to a paid plan? That depends on your business needs. If you're a sole operator and you're just starting out, the free plan might be perfectly adequate. You can manage your appointments, accept payments, and keep your business running smoothly. But if you're growing or if you have a team, you'll likely find that the paid plans offer significant advantages. The ability to manage multiple staff members, send text message reminders, and access detailed reports can save you time and money in the long run. Let's take a moment to consider the competition. There are other appointment scheduling tools out there, like Acuity Scheduling, Calendly, and MindBody. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses. Some offer more advanced features, while others are more affordable. Square Appointments, however, stands out for its integration with Square's payment processing system. If you're already using Square for payments, integrating Square Appointments can streamline your business operations. You won't have to juggle multiple platforms, and you'll have all your data in one place. Now, let's address a common concern, ease of use. How difficult is it to set up and use Square Appointments? The good news is that Square is known for its user-friendly interface. Setting up your account and creating your online booking site is relatively straightforward. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you should be able to get up and running quickly. Square also offers excellent customer support, with a comprehensive help center and responsive support team. So, if you run into any issues, you can get the help you need. Let's talk about the specific benefits of using Square appointments. The automated reminders, both email and text, are a huge time saver. They reduce no-shows, which can significantly impact your revenue. The online booking system allows clients to book appointments 24/7, which is convenient for both you and your clients. The ability to accept payments directly through the app eliminates the need for separate payment processing systems. And the client management features help you keep track of client information, allowing you to provide personalized service. But there are also some potential drawbacks. The transaction fees can add up, especially if you're processing a large volume of payments. And while the free plan is a good starting point, it lacks some of the advanced features that businesses may need as they grow. Also, some users have reported occasional glitches with the app, though Square is generally quick to address these issues. So, to summarize, is Square appointments free? Yes, there is a free plan, but it's essential to understand the limitations. You'll get basic appointment scheduling and online booking, but you'll still pay transaction fees for payment processing. The paid plans offer more advanced features, but they come with a monthly subscription fee. The best plan for you will depend on your specific business needs and budget. Ultimately, Square Appointments is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your service-based business. Whether you choose the free plan or a paid plan, it can save you time and money by automating tasks and improving your client experience. But it's crucial to weigh the costs and benefits carefully before making a decision. Consider your business needs, your budget, and the features that are most important to you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.